Welcome in a new episode of Road Touring. We are near Pierlas in the Gorges du Champs in the south France. Today's leg will lead us in Sinne, and even if it's not very popular, it still has some characteristics we want you to show. So, without further ado, let's start. Approaching the road from D28 route, already after some turns, you can perceive instantly you must be careful here and don't let be distracted by the surrounding landscape. A fast narrow section and 2 hairpins is our welcome. The foot is constantly on the brake pedal, with the risk of having brake failures, as Peter Solberg reminds us in this same stage, in this excess spot of the Monte Carlo Rally. Not much further appears this twisted intestine of very narrow switchbacks, where even the WRC drivers can add the time those years. Revisiting these same corners after watching thousands and thousands of WRC videos automatically grows up a deep respect towards those drivers battling on this course in such unpredictable winter conditions where there could be ice patches around any bends. Chapeau! After passing Pierlas town, the most of the vegetation decreases, giving way to much open views, especially on the top of the Col de la Sinne, 1438 meters, and the cobblestone walls and the roadside protections being present up to now disappear, for giving us these wider and panoramic views. I try even for a second to imagine what could be to face this stage racing at the maximum speed, at the maximum skills. Amazing! We reached the little town of Ilonse after 15 kilometers of head spinning corner to corner. Subscribe for supporting us because our journey has just started. Let us know what you liked about today's trip with a comment below. Turn on the notification bell for the news. And from Road Touring, for the moment it's all. See you in the next episode. Ciao!